today we're going to work on a couple of principles that are really going to improve how you look when you dance. So what we're going to focus on first is natural turnout. So what I'd like you to do is put your feet together, perfect, and now slightly turn out your feet. Very well done. Okay, perfect. So now we're going to practice a box step, just focusing on our turnout, right? Keeping the feet open, okay? And so we're going to step back and side. Make sure you keep your turnout. Bring it together, change weight, forward, keep that turnout. And this is going to make your dancing look make you look a lot more beautiful as a dancer. And good job. Go forward, side, together, and make sure you keep that turnout. Excellent. So let's apply the same concept to our cha-cha basic. So the same thing we're going to do is we're going to keep that turnout, make sure your feet are turned out already, and we're going to rock, and we're going to do a lock step forward, and you're going to go rock, step, lock, and then keep that turnout, rock, step, lock, step, lock, and rock, step, right? Da, da. And maintain that turnout. And then the same principle is going to apply to our crossover breaks. So we're gonna go cha, 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 and make sure that you keep that turnout beautiful. And back to your partner, cha, 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 right? And you can turn around, make sure you maintain that turnout, cha, cha. Excellent, let's do that again. And you're watching your back foot, make sure your back and your front foot is both turned out beautiful. And cha, cha, cha. She turns around, maintain that turnout as she pivots, cha, cha, cha. Excellent. So the second principle I want us to work on is keeping our feet in contact with the floor. This is going to help you maintain your turnout because you can feel where your feet are on the floor and have more control over your natural turnout. So we're going to start that with our box step again. This time we're going to make sure that our feet are turned out and that our feet stay in contact with the floor. So here we go, step back on, slow, good job. Keep your feet in contact with the floor, forward, side, beautiful, side, together, and nice turnout. And then this is just a little tip to help you maintain that turnout, which makes it a lot easier when you can feel your foot in contact with the floor. You'll have much more control over that turnout. Excellent. Slow, ba, ba, ba. Let's apply the same concept to our cha-cha step. Perfect. So we're gonna rock, rock, step, and cha, cha, cha. Keep your feet in contact with the floor. Cha, cha, cha. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Rock, step. And we're going to apply the same concept to our cha-cha crossovers. And here we go. Cha, cha, cha. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Turn around, make sure your feet stay in contact with the floor. Keep that turnout. Excellent. Cha, cha, cha. Turn around. Cha, cha, cha. And then you can see you're gonna look a lot more prettier as a dancer. One more time with the crossover. Cha, cha, cha. Rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Excellent. So those are a couple of principles for the day.